Hello, so happy to have you back today. I'm going to be doing a quick little video for you on how to decorate your home for summertime, and these tips are going to be some nice easy things that you can do that are going to give your home that elegant look for the summertime. And this is something that I do in my house every year. Now this is the best tip I can give you, and I've given this tip in the springtime as well. Bring in fresh greens from the outside. So I bring in palm trees from my yard because I live in Texas. So if you don't live in Texas, then bring in any type of greenery that you have, and that really adds such a vibrant appearance to your home. It's obviously really nice if you can get your hands on some palms. These are not always something that you have to have in the ground. Like this one here was just a potted plant, and it just adds such a nice look to the house. If you can't do that, always you could think about getting some fake trees like the one I have there. That one's from Target, and I think it looks equally as nice. Now something that I do is adding a lot of fresh citrus outside on my countertops. So if you've seen my videos before, you know in my organizing your fridge, I don't always put citrus on the countertops because it can go bad quicker. But in the summertime I eat quite a bit of it, and so I do like to put some out on my counters because I think that it adds such a beautiful look. You know, that one with the matching to the roses. Here I have some lemons that I put into a glass vase, and I think that this can really add to your decor. Now if you don't eat it that fast, then don't put it out because it will spoil quicker on your counter than it will in your fridge. But I like to do this little trick to promote me to drink some more water. These types of things are also especially nice if you have company over, and definitely give that luxe feel to your kitchen. Something simple that you can do is add some fresh soaps to your house. So maybe in your refills doing like a Myers lemon soap, or adding in any type of beautiful little decorative soaps. I have these Italian lemon soaps that I just love and adore. And it's these small subtle details that really add the luxury to your home. Now another one that's subtle is your fragrances. Make sure that you're adding some really beautiful summer fragrances to your home. I do that in two ways. So one, I have this diffuser going all the time, and one of my favorite blends that I use in my diffuser is lemon, tangerine, and lavender, and that's a really fun smell that we have going on in our home. And another way that I do that is by putting out different decorative candles. So a lot of my candles I get from either TJ Maxx, this one's from TJ Maxx, and these little beautiful fluted candles are from Aldi's. The extra large candle that's on my mantle place is also from Aldi's, and I think that having these different textures and shapes in your candles, even if you don't burn them that frequently, really add a nice look to the decor of your home. Now the last thing that I do in my home is also a nice touch, is I go through and update all my summer textiles. So changing out the pillowcases, adding in some blankets. I have this nice yellow one that I put on my ottoman just to add that little pop of the yellow color that I use in the summertime. Taking out any of the velvety furs that I have in there that, you know, added that warmth during the cooler months, but that's not something you want in the summertime. So basically making sure that you have cooler fabrics is very important. And the last thing I do in the summer is I bring out some of those souvenirs from beach vacations or memories from beach vacations that really kind of bring me back to that place of what I enjoyed with my family in the summertime. And I actually make most of my souvenirs that I bring home from the beach. And I have a really fun video coming soon on how to make beach souvenirs, and with lots of ideas. Many more than just these two that I just showed you. But that's a fun way to bring in that summer vibe, even if you don't live by the coast, just because of the beautiful memories that brings back for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time for that video on how to do your own souvenirs for your beach vacations. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you subscribe. Bye for now, friends.